Good afternoon, friends. I think all are well. Today I will discuss stochastic oscillator, and that is momentum indicator. Just I will show in chart how to work it and good profit. At first, I will talk to MT5. There, this company is Deriv. You can start from this company. I give you link in description. Just click the link and open standard CFD MT5 account. But this company I will provide. Why? Because here 7 days you can work. So many trading instrument is there. 24 into 7 you can work instant withdrawal. That is advantage. Nobody give you that type of advantage any other company. Just I recommend you go to link description link, click link, open standard CFD MT5 account. Just briefly watch this company instrument. There are so many forex pair, metal pair, volatility 75, volatility series, step series, crash boom series. Here you can check volatility, crash boom, step index, range break, jump, dex, crypto also. Crypto so many pair is there. Energies you can also equity market, forex minor, major, exotic, macro, metal also available in stock index. That is good advantage to all you trade in one platform. Instant withdrawal. You can so many payment method you can use. All are instant withdrawal. This is good advantage. Okay. Right now stochastic oscillator I will discuss and how do you profit. Just open the chart. At first gold market, check the gold market. This is very highest volatility, as well as volatility 75. This instrument also highest volatility. Okay, just check the high volatility instrument. At first check metal. More and more people trade in here. Gold, forex. Just watch the gold and gold chart open. Right now gold 3023 is bearish mode, 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I will set up stochastic indicator, stochastic oscillator. Keep the chart and cross the market, then it's main chart. To click here and then go to stochastic oscillator, click the oscillator. There just set up percent of K period 5, percent of D period 3, slowing it's 3. It's a price field, it's just low and high. Price it's a field, it's a low and high. Method it's a simple. There it's a level have to show 10, 20, 80 and 90. There's it's a time frame to all. Just you here check to main. There change the color. Coloration changes in purple color. Your dot you can do that. Whatever this chart plot the market, I'll check and save this. Just watch to a chart here, cross the market right now, but I'll do okay. Stochastic oscillator. There a level is brown. Another color change to level green. 80, 20, 10, 90. That is right now. Save this and check the chart proper note. Okay, I'll change to color, another color. Change to another color. This is purple. This one red. put up, and level is green. Green change to white. Save this line and go to chart, red and white. Change the level here, 80-20. There white change to another color, red. Select to dot line, 80-90-20. Okay, save this line. Okay, right now showing the lines. There stochastic 5, 3 and 3. This is just setup. You can do another setup also, but 14 you can do, but 5, 3, 3, this is good setup. 90 minute, 90, 80 overbought, 10, 20 oversold. This is M30, 30 minutes time frame. Just I will check the market. Here one things follow the market. 90 and 80, this is overbought level. If red line cross to white line, cross to down, this is market will go to downside, as like that. 80, 90, this is overbought, 10, 20 is oversold. This indicator has to follow 10, 20 lines, cross the line and touch the line and crosses to moving up. This is go to market upside. As well as 80, 90, this line touches and cross the downside, market will go downside. Right now gold is 3023. Then I will check this here, cross the line both, and 90 and 80 crosses the line, go to downside. There market will go down, but I will wait sometimes. When it will cross, just check there, here crosses the this line, this indicator crosses the red and white lines. This candle, check to this candle, then it's a rejection the candle and crosses the stochastic both line at 90, touch 90, 90 above and touches to cross the below side, and touch to 10, 20, it will go touches, then it will oversold. Same thing here, 10, 20, both lines cross to an upside, then it will market go up. This is main things. Gold here, some candle is up and down, but crosses 80, then turn to below, then market go to downside. Okay, 5-minute time frame I will check there. 5-minute time frame you can do here. Check the 5-minute time frames. There crosses this candle 80 and 90, there crosses the market, go to downside, as like that market will go down. Same 10 and 20 touch the market, it will go up, as like that market it will buy mode. That means 10 and 20 oversold, but I will wait for confirmation. It above 10 and 20 lines across the above, then market will go up. Either market sideways, and then 10 and 20 touch and up and down. So many backtesting is there, as well as you touch there 10 to 20. Check this candle touch to 10, this is oversold position, but market will go up a little bit. Price go to stochastic indicator both line go to upside. That is mean market sideways, not strong buyer and seller. This situation you take 10 and 20 both line crosses the 10 and 20 level, then cross to upside, then market will go up and strong bullish trend 8 to 9 80 to 90 level crosses. Same, so many backtesting you can check here. This level just 10 20 cross 10 and 20 crosses the line and go to upside 80 to 90 crosses the line and then downside market. This is gold market. All is so many backtesting you can check there. MT5. Okay, another currency, the forex में GBP USD. GBP USD same way. Just check to GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD here same thing. 10 and 20 both line envelope and cross to 20. That means market will go up. This is 15-minute time frames. 5-minute time frame. Try to maximum time frame. You get to the maximum confirmation. There 10 to 20 both line touch and cross the indicator. It will go up like that. But wait for sometimes. This crosses the line and strong indicator line bullish trend, it will go up, as well as this line. Check this line, touch, market touch and go up and down. In this line 20 and 80 and 90 both line in between cross and go to down. Check, find down line, downtrend, and you will get good profit. Okay, 5-minute time frame you will check. Same thing here. 10 and 20 crosses the line and go to up, market also go up. Long movement, just will check long movement here. Here crosses the line, then market little bit up, touch 20, then go down, market also up and down. Here there 80 and 90 touch the both lines. This candle touch the line and up and down, but 80 90 after that it's a cross and go to forcefully to downside. The market will go little bit down, again market up, again down. So you can trade here small profit for intraday, you can do that. But long movement, check to long movement here also 10 and 20 touch up and go to market will go up. Okay, so many backtesting here you can check this indicator plot. But setup 533, yeah, 1433 you can do. 533 then 5 days. 5 days time frame. Here setup 1020. This is oversold position. 8090 overbought position. Any other currency check there. GBP JPY. All currency same result, but here show if 80 and 90 overbought position, their market go up, then all buyer like that completed, then go to just seller start. 80 and 90 cross the market, then check to market go to downside. As well as same 10 and 20, this is oversold position. If market go to 10 and 20 level, if market going to 10 and 20 level, then market it will go up, nearby chances, they are oversold position. Just check there. Here this GBP JPY 5-minute time frames, their level 80 to 90. This situation, both candle are envelope and cross the both lines and 80 level, cross the both line 80 level, then go to market strong downfall. This is good movement, strong downfall, and touch up here, touch up 10 and 20, then market will go sell, market will go to sell. Just check here, touch up 80 and go to market will down, as like that, strong sell position. Okay, I will check this 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame in the perfection you have seen. Just cross the 90 level and 80 level, both level cross to and top this candle, this candle is a top closes, then market go down, strong down, and then 20 touch up, but market here all candle reject. That means seller are weak right now. It will buying position start. Very simple, but every time you follow 10 and 20 level, if they cross and crossing both line and go to upside, it will try buy position. More and more buyer come here, market will go to buy position. Or if 80 and 90 cross the market and go to downside, that means market will strong seller, not buyer. Buyer are already buying position right now. Sell both. Any other currency, USD JPY, same currency. USD JPY, I will check here. This currency, they are top in 80 and 90. 80 and 90 level both are crosses the line, then go to market downside. Here 10 and 20, 10 and 20 level here touch up and try to cross. That means market strong sell. Right now buyer is active, but it will confirm signal, then you can trade. Any other, Euro USD, this is mostly trade this currency. I'll check this Euro USD. Network is like that, very slow. Come. Same thing, 30 minutes time frame. Here 10 and 20 level cross the both line and go to upside. This candle crosses the line, then rejection this candle and crosses both line and go to upside, market will buy mode. Right now both are crosses and go to 80 and 90 level, crosses the both lines, but it will go up to selling pressure, as like that. Right now overbought position, but I will wait for some times. When 80 and 90 crosses the both levels, then cross 80 below, then I can trade. Any other currency, all currency is the same result, but set of this indicator, step 200, this indicator, same thing. 10 and 20 level crosses the line, and cross the line, that same things, this is both line actually crosses the line and touch of 80, what touch of 80, this level 80 crosses the both lines and go to downtrend. This is very both the lines are go to downtrend, and 10 and 20, 10 and 20, both lines and crosses the below and go to downside. As well as the market, same thing here, there 10 and 20 both lines crosses the both lines and go to upside, then downside. Okay, here just check this there, 80 and 90, 80 and 90 both level cross the line and cross the downside. Same thing here, crosses the 80 and 90 level, then go to downside. This is crosses the 80, that means you follow this candle. Here 80 and 90, this position 80 and 90 crosses the level and position go to below side, and 80 and 90 crosses the both lines and below to 80 both lines, then market will strong sell. Just check good movement in selling position, good movement. But here 10 and 20, this is oversold, but it will market have downfall because not confirm here. Just you check here, crosses 10 and 20, there market will little bit up, then market also down. You can trade here some points you can carry, then you can out, but market again turn and crosses and strong sell position, same thing again here, market will go little bit up, 10 and 20 you can trade here, buy trade. Here 10 and 20 position cross both lines, so you can trade some points you can carry, then again touch 80 and 90 level, crosses the both lines, then go to downfall. Same thing is happening is there, but you check when market it will 80 and 90 crosses the 80 level below, then market will bearish mood. As 10 and 20 both line crosses the both line and above 20, that means market will go bullish trend. This is simple things you remind, you can trade here. Same thing, another market I will check there, volatility 75, this is the high volatility. This instrument provide only a deriv, that's why I have to open for deriv, open to link, through link, instant withdrawal, that facility you will do, or so many instrument you have to do, this broker 24/7 you can trade. Okay, 30-minute time frames there, check this, crosses 10 and 20, but I will not trade here, I will confirm signal here, 10 and 20, this is 30-minute time frame. 10 and 20, this candle I trade here, so one candle little profit you can booked, then again cross the both lines, then you can trade here. Though 1 2 3 candle is there, 3 candle touch 10 and 20, close the profit, again cross both line 10 and 20 level, then market go up and down, but it will go up as like that. If 80 and 90 both line crosses here and below 80, then you can sell trade. Again this position, check this position here, market touch up crosses and down line, as well as market both line 80 and 90 level both are 80 and 90 level both are crosses the line and go to downfall, heavy downfall. You so many back testing is there. You can trade any instrument. This indicator setup 533. You can check 1 minute time frame there also show, but you will check this both line crosses and 80 level, then you can sell. Here check 2 and 3 candle you can do profit. Here check 10 and 20. 10 and 20 level crosses the line, then find movement 4 and 5 candle, 5 candle is there. A small profit you can book, but 1 minute time frame. But try to 30 minutes time frame. Perfect 1 minute 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame here. Check this here 1 hour time frame. Market crosses the 10 and 20 level, then go to market upside. But 80 and 90 level there a touch up, but it will crosses and below 80, then you can trade. But waiting for a confirmation. When it will cross the both lines, then you can do a trade. Okay, another. Okay, crash boom, crash 500, crash 500. This is, you can check also network like that, slow network. Okay, check to another currency. BTUSD, mostly trade and Bitcoin. There Bitcoin market same thing. Here 10 and 20 level crosses, just touch the both lines and crosses the both lines, and again up. But you can trade. This is 1 hour time frame. If you trade, maximum profit from there. Same thing is there. 90 and 80 level crosses the both lines. 80 and 90 level. Then both are down below 80. Then you can trade to sell. Here strong sale is there, and 10 and 20 level touch up. Little bit buying sell up and down, but not confirm here. It will buy or sell. Then both lines touch 10 and 20, then it will go upside as like that. Waiting for confirmation. When 10 and 20 level they crosses the both lines and above to 20, then you can trade and buy side. Little bit points you can carry, then close the trade. again here just a check here 10 and 20 not crosses and not touch up is 21.76. Here a touch up both lines and cross the line, then it will market go up, as well as 80 90 both levels. Both line crosses the line, little bit down, again up. But you check to confirm signal, then you can trade. Here same thing. Both line 10 and 20 levels. Here 10 and 20 level crosses the both lines and cross to 20 above. That means market will go up. This is buying mode. Little bit down this candle. This candle just check 20 touch up, then market both lines go up. That means market will go up. So many backtesting you can do. All currencies same method you can use. This is nice indicator, but you trade in confirmation signal, then you can trade. US Tech is called to Nasdaq. Same thing here. Touch to 80 19, touch 80, then below both lines. Market will down, but long movement, carry to long movement. Here 80 and 90 above, 80 and 90 above both line, 90 crosses and 80 crosses, then you can trade here. You can trade here, then 1 2 3 4 5 candle you can carry good profit. This is 5 minute time frames. You can check all time frames, same method, 80 and 90 position overbought. That time 80 and 90 crosses both line, and below 80 if go to lines, then market will sell. As well as 10 and 20 level is oversold. Both line cross the both lines and go to upside above 20, then market will buy. This in that simple method you can remind this situation. So you can trade all instrument same thing, but wait for the some confirmed information, then you can trade. Okay guys. Okay, mostly इसमें mostly you can profit here. So many currencies is there, but try to this company every day you can trade. So many instrument is there, 24/7 you can trade. This is facility. I have pasted in link in my description. Just click to link, open standard CFD MT5 account. Here so many option also, board trading also, so many side here. Deriv go you can carry a mobile trading. Deriv X extra you can do. So many is there, but you can check if you which instrument you comfortable you can trade. Okay. Okay. Okay friends, today that much. I will try to next indicator ADX next. More and more subscribe, like, comment and share this channel. As grow the channel, I will more videos for you. Okay, bye bye guys. Thanks.